Hi everyone, it's Shannon and welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much to Office Depot OfficeMax for sponsoring today's video. As you all know, I stay very busy between YouTube, my online store, renovating our 100-year-old home, and being a busy mom of two. I'm always looking for new ideas and things that can help me stay productive as well as keep me organized. So I very much appreciate and do use Office Depot OfficeMax's online store where you can actually do your shopping online and within 1 hour you can go in store and pick up your items. So on this day I was actually able to head in store, have a little bit of fun shopping and looking around, and I was able to find some great things to help me stay productive and keep me organized.
I had so much fun looking at their cute office supplies, all of their different planners. They have some beautiful desk decor and some great storage options. I sort of zeroed in on these beautiful laptop bags. I was definitely in need of one. They had lots of stylish options and I loved the print on this one, but I ultimately ended up purchasing this faux leather over-the-shoulder bag. It has lots of storage in it for not only my laptop but everyday items as well. So I'm excited to be stylish but also have all of the things that I need for work on hand too. Office Depot OfficeMax also has a large selection of home security options. I really was excited to try the Ring video doorbell system. As you all know, I work from home, so saving time answering the doorbell definitely allows me to be more efficient. All of us crafters know having a paper trimmer in our supply stash is a must, and mine was very well loved and in need of being replaced, so I was glad to find this Westcott one at Office Depot OfficeMax, and I'm excited to use it on my vinyl and paper crafts. Post-it notes are another one of those items that I just can't live without. Office Depot OfficeMax has a huge selection. I found the cutest brightly colored post-it note dispenser that I had to bring home with me. I hustle on the daily, and when I found this adorable notebook that said hustle on it, it had to come home with me too. I love the fluorescent colors, so it just makes work a little bit more fun. I really enjoyed my shopping trip to Office Depot OfficeMax on this day, and I hope that my 5 picks also maybe help inspire you to find a little more efficiency in your daily hustle too.
Thank you so much again to Office Depot OfficeMax for sponsoring today's video. I hope you will give this video a thumbs up for me. Hit that subscribe button, stick around and join me every single Monday, Wednesday, and Friday where I bring you new DIYs, tutorials, and new inspiration. Thanks so much again, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.